Good morning, students of class 3. Welcome to new class. I am your Muhua ma'am. Today SST class and I will discuss the first chapter, The Earth, Our Home. So all of you open your book, page number 5. Okay, ready? Our Earth is one of the 8 planets that revolve round the sun. Our solar system consists 8 planets. All these planets revolve round the sun. It is the third nearest planet to the sun. It is the only planet which has life. Some facts. The Earth is about 150 million kilometers away from the sun. Surface of the Earth. Our Earth is round in shape. Its 3/4 part is full of water and only 1/3 of its surface is land. Some facts. Our Earth is called a blue planet because it looks blue when seen from the space. So question is, why our Earth is called a blue planet? Our Earth is called a blue planet because it looks blue when seen from the space. Okay. The atmosphere. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is called atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases. It is very important for all the living beings like plants, birds, animals and men. Life on the earth is possible due to the presence of water and air. Okay. So, go to next page, page number 6. Remember, the earth is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the moon. Shape of the earth. Our earth is round like a ball. Earlier people believed that the earth was flat and had edges. If anyone would go near these edges, he would fall. They were afraid to going beyond a certain distance. About 500 years ago, in 1519, a Portuguese sailor named Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. He started his journey from Spain and sailed round the earth. He continued his journey in the same direction. After 3 years, he returned to the same point from where he had started. This proved that the earth is round. In 1969, two American astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, first stepped on the moon. They took many photographs of the earth from the moon. These photographs show that the earth is round in shape. Some facts. The name of the spaceship of Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin was Apollo 2. The earth does not have the perfect round shape. It is slightly flat at the top and at the bottom, almost like an orange in shape. These flat areas are known as poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Horizon. If we stand on the top of a high building, the earth and the sky appear to be meeting at some place. This place is called horizon. Actually, the earth and the sky never meet as they appear. If we start moving towards the horizon, it also moves further away. Coast, the line where land and ocean appear to meet each other, is known as the coast. From the coast, we can see that the sky and the water appear to meet. If a ship is coming towards the coast First we see its top, the chimney. Then the lower part of the ship is seen. When it comes closer, we are able to see the whole ship. It again proves that the earth is round. Okay, so all of you understand? This is your homework. You read it very well. Okay? Have a good day.